Hey guys, hello, Akash here. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to make fried chicken breast. So the name of the dish is chicken schnitzel. Many people link this dish with Vienna, but originally it came from Milan region of Italy. It's really a very nice, unique and simple recipe and anyone can do it. Okay, so let me show you all the ingredients. Chicken breast, we need eggs, we need Parmesan cheese, we need Panko breadcrumb, plain flour, oregano, paprika, salt, pepper. We'll serve this dish with roasted bell peppers and thyme aioli. For making roasted bell peppers, we will need 3 different colors of bell peppers, but you can use any one, and 1 red onion. For thyme aioli, we need thyme and aioli, and I'm using a ready-made aioli here. We'll start with the chicken now. Cut through the thick part first. Yeah. And we'll open this. To make it more thin, we'll take the baking paper, we'll cover the chicken with the baking paper, and we'll take the rolling pin and we'll pound them off straight to make it more even. We'll start pounding them from the thick part. So this is the thick part. So we'll start pounding them from here. That's what exactly we're looking for. Nice, thin, and even all the sides. So now it's very easy when we're gonna fry it. It's gonna cook evenly. Okay, so this part is very crucial in getting the best chicken schnitzel, and that is by applying a good amount of salt and black pepper. Let's start with salt. We'll try to cover all the sides of the chicken, and we have to make sure the salt is covering in everywhere. Black pepper. Do the seasoning both the sides. One side is done. Now we'll do the other side. Salt. Cracked pepper. So it's a very simple recipe. The only marination we are using is salt and black pepper. That's it. We need to let the salt do its thing here, and we'll marinate the chicken for 20 minutes to get the best result. While our chicken is marinating, we'll start off with other preparation. So this is a Japanese style panko breadcrumb, which is dry and crispy, but the problem is that it's not even. It's big and small kind of pieces in the packet. So we'll quickly grind it in a blender. Now you see the breadcrumbs is nice and even. We'll add Parmesan cheese and we'll mix it properly. We'll take 3 eggs and make a quick egg wash. We'll use fork and give a quick whisk. Our batter is ready here now. So what yolk does is, it gives a nice golden brown color, and the protein of the eggs gives a nice moisture to the chicken. Now we'll get ready with the flour. We'll add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika in the flour, and now we'll give a quick mix. Just a little smoked paprika will change the whole game. Now our crumbing station is ready. So left hand for chicken and flour and right hand for egg wash and crumbs. Step 1, chicken goes into the flour, both the sides. Now egg wash. into the crumbs. So I have to make sure the coating is done nicely here in both the sides. And I will keep it in a plate. I will add some crumbs here. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, so the crumbing is done now. Now the secret here is to keep this coated chicken in fridge for 10 to 15 minutes so that the crumb and the chicken will stick together nicely, or else you won't get the best results. So in the meantime, we'll quickly cut the vegetables, toss them up with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic paste, and roast them up in a preheated oven. Roasted vegetable gonna test well with chicken schnitzel. We'll quickly marinate it: salt, some cracked pepper, garlic paste, olive oil. So this meal is gonna be a complete meal with chicken schnitzel. Quickly put the vegetables in a baking tray, and always make sure you put a baking paper in the baking tray. So now we'll quickly make thyme aioli. Why thyme aioli? Because the combination of thyme and chicken is next level. So now our chicken and oil is ready, and we'll quickly fry it. Look at the nice and gorgeous color. It looks like nice and crisp on both sides. Eggs, the crumb, the chicken did an excellent job. I'm getting a nice fragrance. I wish you could smell it. Oh, look at the gorgeous beauty floating in the oil. Now the chicken started floating in the oil. I'll check it real quick with my knife. Yeah, it's cooked, and this is the right time to take this off. Now I will fry the other chicken as well with the same procedure. So now our chicken is done. Roasted vegetables done, aioli is done. Only one main job left. We have to pay. That's it. So all done. I made a quick tomato, olive oil and coriander mix. So I'm gonna add on the top as a garnish. Look at this gorgeous beauty. The chicken, the thyme aioli, the roasted vegetables, the tomato mix. Oh, looks incredible. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. For more cooking videos, if you want to have a look, links on description. Thank you.